Waeʻanona is a classification of vocabulary words. In Hawaiian language classes, we learn 4 types of vocabulary: kikino, hamani, hehele, and ʻaʻano. Kikino are words that have a kino, a body or form. In English, we call these nouns, person, place, or thing. For example, ka moa, nā moa keiki, a me ka hale moa. Note that all kikino are preceded by ka'i, like ka and nā. Hamani are transitive verbs, which means these are actions that you do to something. For example, hapai, a me puliki. Hehele are words that hele or convey a sense of movement or sound. In English, we call these intransitive verbs. For example, hele, ame pio. A'ano are words that convey the ano, the nature or character of something. In English, we call these passive or stative verbs. For example, mele mele o pio pio. If you ever need help deciding on what a word is, you can always look in our Hawaiian dictionary. Let's look at the entries for kani. In the first entry, kani is defined as a sound and to cry out, to name a few of the definitions. We can also see the abbreviation NVI. N refers to noun. A sound or noise of any kind is a kikino. VI refers to intransitive verb. To cry out is a hehele. Let's look at the next entry. The next entry is a VS, a stative verb. Strong and hard is an ʻaʻano. Finally, entry number 3. This entry is VT, a transitive verb. To drink is a hamani.